Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here is a new awesome video that I'll be guiding you how you can be able to earn free dollars on daily basis on this website. So what you need to do is to stick with me while I guide you on the step-by-step method on how this platform works, how you can be able to make free dollars online for yourself. So if you watch most of the videos I share on this website, I frequently share many free ops website. So those websites I share on this channel are mostly free ones that you can easily make money online with them. So if you follow the guide and be an early bird in all those project platform that I share, so you'll be making a lot of USDT for yourself online and also in Naira. So here is what you need to know about this website. So here, this is just like an exchange platform. So there is a trading app and also a mining app. So it has so many under developing functions, such as this envelope section. And if you click on this NFT zone, you will discover that this section is still under development. So but we are going to be making use of this particular option that is showing mining. So here is what you will use to earn on this application. So what do you need to do? Once you register on this website, you just come to this section where you are saying you are seeing VIP1 welcome. So just tap on this VIP1 welcome. Now it will bring you to this particular section. So what you need to do is to do a quick authentication. So it's very simple. Just click here and you'll be prompted to put your name and your ID card number. Then upload a screenshot of your ID card front and back, and then you submit. Within 5 minutes or 15 minutes thereabout, you will get certified. So you can see it right here. So I've actually chatted with the customer service and she explained in details about how this platform works. So what do you need to do next after you have been certified, just like my own? So you go back to your account page, then you come to this place that you're seeing. Okay, wait for it to load up, guys. So you can see you come to this place now where you are seeing mining. So you see mining here. So here are the list of available miners you can actually get for free. So all you need to do is to do certification, and you'll be given 50 points. So these points are what you earn on this website, and then you use these points to mine, and then you get free USDT from them. So it's just like exchange. So what do you need to do next? You scroll down, come to this section where you are seeing a 50 integral 50. So this particular option is showing integral 50. So you'll be given 50 points. So the computing power of this miner is 110 gigahash so per second. So this effect will be in 3 days. So you earn and mine in 3 days. Now what else do you need to do? You can go ahead and tap on this particular one. So once you tap on this exchange, this particular one now, so you can see it popped up for me. So what do you need to do? You select, if you have 50 points, just select one, then you click on confirm. Automatically the quantity will be bought for you. So also if you refer someone, you'll be getting 10 points. So you can also do well and refer to get more points. So the more you get more points, the more you have access to earn extremely higher on this free website. So you can actually copy your link and share with your friends. Let them get this offer for free. It's absolutely free, and you also get advantage by so doing. So once you've successfully purchased the miner, so you come to this my miner section. So just tap on this my miner. You will see that this is the in effect now. So you can see that I just received $1.01. so this is absolutely the output of today's mining. So once you activate, you can receive it instantly. So just click on this receive benefit. So it's remaining 2 days now, then I'll go ahead and make withdrawal on this website. So now let me go back to this section where you are seeing assets. So let's go to asset and review some other things you might definitely need to know. So you can see it right here. In the next 3 days. The next 2 days I'll be having this balance here, so the total balance will reflect. Then I can be able to go ahead and click on withdraw, so I will successfully withdraw on this platform. So if you also want to chat with the customer service, you can directly click on this WhatsApp icon showing on the top right corner here. So also, before you go ahead and make withdrawal on this website, you will need to change or to add your transaction password. Just go to VIP welcome again, so you see this safety center. So once you click on safety center, you will modify this particular first one. So this first one will be modified for you, so you just need to add your transaction password and then you are good to go. So if you want to see your scores, you can go to this my scores. So just click on this my scores. You can see that once you actually received your registration account verified, so the next you're going to do is to receive 40 points, so for rename authentication. So this first 10 point was given as a new user gift, so that is why you're having a quantity of 50 here. So once you do that, you go ahead and activate the miner, just buy it and then start earning on this website. So you can actually withdraw every single moment you reach $2. So that is the minimum you can withdraw on this website. So that is all you need to know about this website, guys. So I hope it has added value to you. Make sure you like and go ahead and register with the link in the description below. So to copy your referral link, you can actually do that by clicking on the share link. So once you tap here, you will see your promotional link. You copy it, then go ahead and share with your friends and give them value. So while they register, you also benefit on the other side. So that is all you need to know about this website, guys. So register with the link in the description video and get started. Follow the steps that I've given you and get your instant earning offer on this platform. So thank you, guys. See you in my next video.